Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will try and finish off the category, creating the category from the last video, and hopefully we get to the bottom of it. See you then. I do already have a side protest, so I'm just gonna copy, because I've got all the data over there. I'm just gonna copy that one and then bring it over here, and then we're gonna go into category and just use that one instead. I think this might work, and no, this won't work with it. Category 1, something similar to what we had here. We just need a name, description, and maybe this one, isn't it? Maybe it might work, maybe it doesn't really matter. The name, description, we have a name and description over here, so hopefully this should be okay. And then we want to pass that data as a JSON to it, and then the headers and the URL which we've got here. We want to assert it and then collect the response, the data JSON of the response, into another variable. Then we want to just print the status. I'm just printing the status for debug purpose. So let's import that one. Then we want to make the data look good so we can read it. If without this it doesn't look good, print that data, and then we want to save category ID. So we want to save the category ID, and it will come as a form of something like this. Category ID, copy that one. I don't like making mistakes because sometimes it takes you 200 years, and sometimes the mistake is obvious, and then it takes 150 years to get that mistake, and your eyes is there, you can see, but you can't see. Basically that's what it is. Assert that it is not a none, that it should be there. We don't really know we can't predict what the exact ID will be. So will it be ID 1, ID 2, ID 1, ID 2, ID 3? We can't predict it, so we can't say it should be equal to 1 or something like that, right? But we can also write other stuff, yeah, but we're just making sure that it is not a none and it's there. So this is category, the same way that we are doing for the, sometimes you have to delete it all, isn't it? And then we want category. Let's just copy this so we don't have to type it. We want category, we want to return it, and then we want to save it. When we are returning it and we call that this method, we want to save it as well. So let's just save it as this one, and then hopefully we will use it for when we are creating the product, right? So we'll find out how to do that. So we want to create category, this one. We want to call the create category here. I think that might be it. So we need to start the service. I haven't started it yet, so I'm going to do it. You've seen me start the service and everything. I'm going to do it now. All right, so we've got the service running right now. So then we are going to run this and see how it happens. I'm just going to, the easiest way for me is to just go like this and run it. I'm still trying to get used to it, So it looks like we got an assertion error. Something isn't right, is it? This assertion error, what's the problem? In create category, assertion error is not 200. Just see if we can get an easy way around this. Let's go here and let's get, we got the user token running, and then This is why you create a script as well, to manually check, because sometimes they might not give you enough detail and then you don't know what to do. So let me just do this one, category, and let's see what's happening. This is 200, so it looks like I haven't put something. Maybe this one is missing, so maybe that one. So if we go into here and we go into product, we'll be able to see if there was an error. There was no error. Gateway, did gateway give us anything? Gateway didn't give us anything. Right, so why did it come out like that? Okay, so let me just see if the problem is the data. So this one, let's just go like this. I don't think it's the problem is this one. I don't think the problem is that one. I think let me see another one. No. Okay, let me just do this one and see what happens if there is not if we get more information. Code is 404. Status, create a product. 404 not found. Something is not. Yeah, of course we got the details. So we have / here, and then we got another / here. So let's get rid of that one and see what happens. Listen, let me see if we don't have this, if that will be a problem. Let me see. Fantastic. We see we created a product with we created the category with let me just update this category ID, category. Anything else we haven't updated? Okay, let's try again. Let's do it again. It won't give us an error, although I should have something in the system that says this already exists. Yeah. And you see how this one comes as a no. That's fine, as long as you create it, that's fine. All right, so maybe because the category expects this is something that I can get rid of. We want to create a category without a list of products, right? So I can in the near future make sure that the expectation in product entity in category entity is not, you know, expecting thingy, and that's what I'm seeing here in the test. That's why it's good to write tests, because then you get to update some things that isn't supposed to be there. So let's take a look at category, and it looks like here we have a relationship with category and we have a list of. I think about this, how to get around this, because I don't want to create a category with a list of products. I don't want to do that. So this is how we know this is wrong, so I get rid of it. But we do actually want to create a product with a category, so that's how we want to do it. I'll think about that one in the near future. So let's go back to the test. We've created a category, and that is the end of this video. I think this video might span on to another video because I was talking too much, but that's it. We are saving. So I think the next one is I want to be able to get these that I'm actually using, and then I'm going to pass it on to the other, and then the next video we want to see if we can see data into the database. All right, take care and see you in the next video.